all who come to this happy place, welcome, welcome, welcome. Here age relives fond memories of the past, and here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disney is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world.
Marriage is a big step, a covenant, a promise to always be faithful, kind, and supportive, no matter the situation. Anthony and Lillian, life has given each of us as individuals, and yet we must learn to live together. Love is given to us by our family and by our friends. We learn to love by being loved. Marriage is a supreme sharing of experience and an adventure. To make this relationship work, therefore, it takes more than love. It takes trust, and it takes faith. Faith to go forward together without knowing what the future holds for the both of you.
As Lillian became older, you start thinking who is going to help protect your daughter and love her the way that she deserved to be loved. She told me about a young man, and he seemed to be a great young man. So finally, it was that time to meet Anthony. She tells me he's coming to the house, and I went to the window to look out. I see Anthony exit his car, and then he began to walk across my grass.
I have dreamed about, truthfully, I've had lots of dreams about the wedding, and about the ceremony, and now I'm getting married at the Wedding Pavilion. It is so beautiful. I had seen pictures. I knew it was very pretty. It is the most beautiful ceremony location I've ever seen.
Anthony, I now entrust in you one of my greatest responsibilities. I know that you will do a great job. And when life becomes unbearable, lean on each other. And remember that we will all be here for the both of you. Lillian, in a blink of an eye, you've grown from a beautiful baby to a gorgeous woman. I love you more than you will ever know. It's been a great honor to be your father, and I will love you until I take my last dying breath. I love you.
Lord, we ask you to bless this couple. We thank you for everything in their life, Lord, and we owe everything to you, Lord. We ask you to take this young couple and bless them for the rest of their life, Lord. And we thank you, Lord. In your precious name, Lord. Amen.
I now have the wonderful privilege to pronounce you husband and wife together. Anthony, you may kiss your beautiful bride.